Uh, the outstanding feature of all our products, whether they be tuitions or other software products, is of course the use of 2D, 3D animations and videos. Scientists right now, they say that the attention span of an individual is about 6 to 7 minutes. So if you're talking, you can talk for about 6 to 7 minutes, and after that, the person zooms out. Now, if you wish to hold the person's attention for more than 6 to 7 minutes, you need to have something that is audio visual in nature, something that will stimulate his senses and bring back his attention to the subject at hand. And that is where IERD and EdMax have done a beautiful job with their use of audiovisual technology in the field of education. So ours, yeah, please,
Next,
if you
let me
can,
mute all.
yeah, please mute all. Yeah, I have unmuted myself, no problem. Yeah, but please, all of you, just keep yourself mute unless you'd like to say something, in which case you can unmute and speak up, please. So the use of audiovisual technology in the field of education is what sets us apart from all our competitors. And of course, the pricing is another factor that sets us apart from all our competitors. We have a very, very competitive pricing that nobody else can compare with. So those are two outstanding factors that make us stand out and make all our products stand out. Now, it's good for us to have a little information on the different products we have and the different features of those products so that we know what we are talking about. And if you're on the customer end, you also know what are the options you have available so that you can make a wise choice in which product you'd like to use. So we have Mr. Manoj Sebastian with us. He's our technology expert. You can call him the technology geek for our organization. Well, he's here. He's ready to provide us with further information. So let me introduce to you Mr. Manoj Sebastian, please.
Thank you very much, Finos. I guess I'm audible to everyone. Yeah? Finos, okay. All right.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you very much and good morning to all. Thanks for joining with us. And this discussion, it's going to be, I'm sure that all of you might be you have it like day in and day out. There are many webinars happening, right? So you all are attending webinars every single day, right? So it's boring, I know that. But today, after attending the session, you will certainly get some benefit. Okay, it's going to be fruitful. So we will make it a discussion, and we're going to, in the next 1 hour, we're going to see something amazing, something which are very, very useful for the students and the teachers. Okay, so let me first of all tell you why we have invited you for this meeting. We have 64 participants. All right, 64 participants. And then why we are here for this meeting? Probably some of you might be thinking that this is a software demo presentation or some kind of marketing presentation, but let me tell you that it is not. Then why we are here? I'll tell you the reason with one, a simple example. We know that we all are, most of us are sitting at home, and some of us are like in quarantine or because of lockdown, or we are in containment zone. And in across the world, this is a problem right now. This is a big challenge right now. People can't move out, right? And then many are dying, many are losing their lives, and it's a big issue. COVID-19 for the last 4 or 5 months, we all are experiencing this, right? But I just want to ask you one simple question to all who are here, all 64 participants. If you know the medicine, if you have the medicine which can cure COVID-19, what will you do? This is, I always ask my audience, what will you do? Will you keep it with yourselves? Do you think that, okay, I'll save my life and my family's life, that's it? Is that, how you're going to do?
We will distribute to everybody.
Absolutely right. I mean, thank you, my friend, for sharing that thought. The first thing that we will do, we will inform as many people as possible. We will share it with others. We will inform the government authority. We will try to save people's life, right? Because we know we will tell them that, okay, it's working for me and it's working for us, and it is good for the community. So we will try to help others, because whenever we have something good, we want to share it with others. Whenever we are happy, we want to share that happiness with others. So that's exactly the reason we invited you for this meeting, because we have found something very, very useful for the community, especially for the teachers and the students. So we thought it, I mean, we found it is very useful, and we thought it like, we should share it with as many teachers and as many students as possible. So please don't think that this is a marketing presentation or things like that. It is not. It is just what we want to give you some valuable information. We want to share with you some important information, and we found it is very useful, and we are sure that it is going to be useful, and you will definitely like it. And that's the reason we are here. So let's, okay, so I hope you got the, I hope you understood why we are here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, I'm sure that some of the teachers are here. I just want to ask you a few questions, and maybe you can mute and participate and share your thoughts. And at the end of this session also, we will have some Q&A session. And then if you have any questions related to the presentation, you can definitely ask, shoot your questions, no problem. Now, the first thing I want to ask you, that during the last 4 or 5 months, a lot of challenges that teachers and students are facing, right? You all are brilliant teachers. You have experience, but still there are many challenges, right? Things are not like as it was earlier. So if you could please share your thoughts, like what are the challenges that you all are facing, especially at this point of time, then let's go ahead from there. Maybe you can, one of you or two of you, or like anybody, if you want to share your thoughts, some problem, like, okay, you're thinking that if I have a solution for this particular problem, it would be better. Something like that. What things that you are thinking at this point of time? Can you please share your thoughts, if you don't mind? Anybody? Anybody who want to say something on this? You have the freedom to unmute, okay? And I guess the unmute option is enabled for everyone. Yeah? Okay. Anybody want to say something? Okay, no problem. All right. I know that many thoughts are going through your all your minds, and then probably at the end of the session you may contribute all your thoughts. But let me tell you that generally we interact with many teachers. Many of the schools who are enrolled with us. Most of the teachers that we talk to, what they generally say that during the last 4 or 5 months, the biggest problem that they face is actually they they don't have like ready to use teaching resources. Some are saying that lack of student motivation, because there is no bus, like when they come to classroom, it's a different thing altogether. But when they are sitting at home, they are alone. They don't come on online and learn from the teacher. Like students, they lack motivation, right? So it's totally different. And then adaptability issue. Many students are facing like, adaptability issue, internet connectivity problems. Like many don't have like, internet connection. So some are getting, some do have access to classes, but some students, they are facing, issues with internet connectivity. And one thing that I have noticed, I'll tell you, one thing that I have noticed, most of the teachers, they were saying that the biggest challenge, they know how to teach, they know how to use technology, but the main issue that they face is this: conducting examination. Now everything is online, right? Everything is online. How do you conduct exams? Is it possible? Now the answer is, by using multiple choice questions, you are able to conduct examination and you are doing it pretty well, right? But how a full-fledged exam means, wherein you need to include all pattern of questions, descriptive type questions, essay type questions, short answer type questions, match the following, fill in the blanks, all these combination, all these pattern of, type of questions you need to include, then only you can say that it is a proper assessment system. But many are saying that right now it is very difficult because there is no mechanism. Yeah, there is no mechanism, there is no proper tool to conduct a full-fledged examination, like including all type of questions. Yeah, so that is one biggest challenge that schools and or the teachers or institutions, they are facing right now. This is the I'm just sharing my thoughts because this is a general response that we get from teachers. Okay, this is what they say. Maybe you might also have the same thoughts, and you might also have some other problems that you face, but we all know that there are challenges at this point of time. So let's see how we can overcome, how we can tackle this. Right, so we have a solution. I was talking about a solution, a software solution, which is like very useful for the students and which is very useful for the teachers. So let's see what it is. All right, now there are two versions. As a company, IERT, we have many wide variety of software solutions and tools available with us. Like if you want to train your I would appreciate if you can please be on mute, okay, my friends. Yeah, no problem. For the time being, I have muted everyone, and then we'll enable the unmute option so that you can also participate. So that there won't be any disturbance. So what I was trying to tell you, as a company, IERT offers wide variety of learning tools and software solutions. Like for example, if you want to train your students for competitive examination, we do have like learning solutions or course modules or content available for 14 different competitive examinations. That is one segment. Okay, now coming to board exams like ICSE, CBSE, State Board, we do have excellent course module or learning module or teaching module available with us for across the syllabus, like all CBSE, State Board, ICSE, for all boards. We do have content available. Now, when you talk about this board exam, e-learning solutions, then we have two versions in it. One is the student version, and the other one is the school version. Now let's see what is this, how it works and things like that. I'm just going to share my screen and then let's discuss further. All right, so just give me 30 seconds and then let's see what is this all about, and then you will get more clarity. Yeah, okay, bear with me just for 30 seconds. Now, if you want to say something, you can post it on chat, and then like I guess my screen is clear to you, visible to everyone. If in case if there is any problem, you can put it on chat. Okay. All right, so that I can see that. Yeah, I guess my screen is visible to everyone. All right. Okay. Here we go. Now, first thing I want to ask you, when you talk about, if you are a teacher or if you are a student, when you talk about a learning module or a teaching module or a teaching tool or a learning tool, there are certain elements or certain ingredients required. For example, if I'm a student, for me to do well in my studies or to perform well in my studies, I need certain tools. I need certain elements for success, or I need certain ingredients for success. So, what are those ingredients? What are those tools which I require? There are many tools available. But what are the essential tools that a student require to perform well in their studies? I'll tell you. Now, there are many elements, but the most important thing, first thing they require notes. First thing they are going to learn is theory, right? For any concept or any topic, they first, for any chapter, they first learn the theory part. They read the theory, they understand the theory, so they need theory. They need notes, brilliant notes, excellent notes. This is what the first requirement, right? So they need notes. Now, the second thing, when we read something, the problem, what is the problem? After some time, we tend to forget it, right? But see, there are 64 participants right now, and whatever things which I'm telling you right now, after 3 days or after 4 days, if I ask you, you might remember 10% of what I'm telling you right now. 90% you may forget. Why? Because we all tend to forget, and that's how our brain is, and we have many things going through our brain. So we, and even students also, they tend to forget. So when you read something or when you hear something, you forget it after some time. So notes, obviously they require notes, but notes are not, sufficient. They require something else. So along with the notes, if you get visual support, if I may ask you, how many of you have seen this movie called, like Jurassic Park, or if I may ask you some recent movies, like I don't normally watch a lot of movies, okay, but I'm just asking you, like there are movies like Bahubali, or there are movies like many other movies, right? So if you have watched that, I mean, if those movies, you still remember the story, you still remember the scenes, right, in it. Why? Because whatever things that you see, it registers here. It is here. It won't delete from here, from your brain. So you need notes, and if you could get visual support, it is good. So second element is visual support, and the third one is you learn theory, you saw it, you watch the video, and then you also require what? You need a testing platform. You need to test yourself how much you learned. You need to assess yourself, right? So you need a testing platform. And then the fourth element is, before the examination or prior to the examination, you need to again go through all the topics, all the subjects that you learned over a period of time, for which you require revision tools. It is practically impossible for you to read through all the chapters or the subjects that you learned for the last 6 months. So you require brief notes or revision tools. Let's say that's the fourth element. What else? Some students are brilliant with the pictures. The moment they see a picture, it registers here. They can connect with the picture immediately. So if they could get some mind maps or some pictures for each topic, very good. So let's say that's the fifth element. And then some students, what they like, uh, whenever you learn something, like if you are a teacher or a student, if you can connect that with your daily life, real world connections. For example, you're learning a topic in physics, or you're learning a topic or a concept in chemistry or maths. Instead of by hearting that, like just if you could just, if you can connect that with your daily life, or it again, like you will never ever forget it. It registers here. So you always need, as a teacher or as a student, you should be able to connect the topics with your daily life, right? So we call it as real life applications. Sixth element, real life applications. Now, coming to the next element, some students, they are brilliant students, okay? Some teachers, they are like, they always do research, all right? They always do research, they do R&D. So they need reference material to do R&D. So you can go to Google or any other platform, but if you get ready to use reference material, very good, right? So we provide something like for every topic you get ready to use reference. You can just click and get more information, do some R&D. All right. And then what else? Then if you, to get, perform well in your studies, like, you need many elements are there, like, previous question papers or board exam question papers, or many things are there. Or when you are required to draw something, you should learn how to draw it and things like that. So let's see if we have all these elements ready here in this platform. That's what we're going to look at. Many are there, but I'm just going to walk you through this. As you see on the screen, you can see that the first thing I want to highlight is that this is available for CBSE, this is available for ICSE, and this is available for all state boards. First thing. Now, second, I want to tell you that it is available for all classes from pre-nursery to class 12th, as you see on the screen. Now, the third point I want to tell you that this is a complete solution. When I said complete, it is complete. It is complete solution. You might have heard when most of the Indians or especially Malayalis, about Roga Samhari, right? Sarva Roga Samhari. There is something called Ayurveda. You heard some Sarva Roga Samhari. What is this Sarva Roga Samhari? One medicine for all, problems, right? So this is like it. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, this is like it. This is like a Ottamuli or Sarva Roga Samhari, I would say, because this everything is here. It is a complete solution. Why is it complete solution? You just look at, see, in most of the content providers, if you go to Byju's, or if you go to Topper, or if you go to like Examfear, or whatever the content provider, you see that you get science and maths. You won't get all subjects, but here we provide all subjects based on your syllabus oriented content for all subjects. See, we have psychology, we have political science, economics, history, and then we have English, sociology, physical education, Hindi, geography, business studies. Everything that you require is in one single platform. It is available, all subjects. So it's a complete solution. All classes, all syllabus, all subjects. All right. Now let's see what else. So it's a complete solution available to all, board exam, for all board exams. Now let's see whether we have all the elements that I was talking about. Let's open one, particular topic. So when you go to a subject, you will see all the chapters, all right, and all the chapters, and then you see the chapters are divided into like subtopics. Okay, there are various subtopics. Each chapters are divided into subtopics, and then if you look at you see chapter notes. Let's see here whether we have chapter notes available. See, I was talking about chapter notes, right? First, they need to learn theory. So for every single topic that you learn, you get, chapter notes or topic-wise notes. Brilliant notes prepared by experienced teachers. This is available here. See, detailed notes you get for all topics. First thing. Now, second thing, we were talking about visual support, right? Do we have visual support? let's play one video. We do have 19,000 topic-wise videos. How many? 19,000 topic-wise videos are available. That means for every subject and every chapter, every topic that you open, you will see multiple videos. And let me tell you one thing, these videos are fantastic quality, brilliant quality videos, 3D, 2D animation videos. You will not find it in YouTube. You will not get it in with any other content provider. If you want to get videos like this, you will get it here. Let's see one video. Okay. So
Genes and
I'll
DNA.
just play it 1 second. Yeah.
In this topic, we shall learn about the structure of chromosomes, genes, and DNA. Our body comprises of eukaryotic cells. Many of these are in a state of continuous division. Now, when we move inside a cell which is about to divide, we see a conspicuous nucleus. The nucleus shows an outer nuclear membrane. As we zoom inside the nucleus, we find a nucleolus and many thread-like chromatin. As the cell proceeds into cell division, the chromatin fibers become short and thick and are known as chromatids. These chromatids are found in pairs. The chromatids are found to be attached by a spherical structure called a centromere. A centromere, along with the chromatids, is known as the chromosome. Let us study about the different types of chromosomes based on the centromere position. If the centromere is exactly at the center of the chromosome, the chromosomes are termed as metacentric. When the centromere is not exactly at the center, the arms of the chromatid are said to be of unequal lengths. Such chromosomes are called submetacentric. If the centromere is at the end of the chromosomes are termed as telocentric. When the centromere is closer to the end of the chromosomes are called acrocentric. These chromosomes sometimes show secondary constrictions, which result in narrowing of the chromosome as two strands which are coiled around each other to form a double helical structure. Out of the two strands, one strand runs from 5' to 3' and the other runs from 3' to 5'. DNA is a polymer composed of nucleotides which consist of nitrogen bases, deoxyribose sugar, and phosphate molecules. The nitrogen bases are purines and pyrimidines. The purines consist of adenine and guanine, while pyrimidines are composed of thymine and cytosine. Guanine always pairs with cytosine by 3 weak hydrogen bonds, while adenine always pairs with thymine.
Let's pause here. I am sure that if your internet connection is good, or at least like you have a 4G connection or a 3G connection, you have seen the quality of the video. It is fantastic quality video. Like it's students will fall in love with learning, because if you look at the video, the duration is like 4 minutes, or the maximum duration is like 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, students they are able to learn one concept in 5 minutes or 3 minutes or with 4 minutes. It's a very well designed, and like step by step it is explained, and parallelly they can look at the notes and see, so they understand what is the concept all about, and then they will never forget it, because it's fantastic video. And it's like immersive learning. They will completely like they will immerse into the topic, and they will like never ever forget it. right? So this is the, there are many videos. For if you look at like any topic, we provide multiple videos like this, and like I said, there are 19,000 videos like this available in our platform. So our teacher, they just need to select the video and share it with the student. Now one more advantage is this, I'll tell you the another benefit if you use this. See, especially at this point of time, you can make your classrooms like a flipped classroom. When I said flip the classroom, you can, for example, tomorrow, if you're going to talk about, or if you're going to teach them chromosomes, genes, and this is the topic that you're going to, teach them tomorrow. Today, you can share this video content or notes with your students. We are giving teachers a platform to share all this content. You can share it with the student, and in the student portal, students are going to watch this, and when they watch this, they understand the concept, and next day when they come to your classroom, all you need to do, you just need to make it a discussion, and that discussion will be more fruitful. They may have many doubts. They may have many questions. So let them ask the question. You just make it a discussion. So that's what we call flip the classroom. Sharing the content in advance and coming to the classroom and making it a discussion. So this will help you to enable flip the classroom or make it a flipped classroom. So in a nutshell, there are 19,000 quality videos, topic-wise videos. And then we were talking about testing platform, right? For every single topic, they can attempt tests like this. Short topic-wise test papers are here. And then we were talking about pictures, right? We were talking about pictures. Let's see if we have like pictures available. One second. Yeah, see, we have brilliant pictures available for every topic, and this is a teaching tool, and at the same time, it is a learning tool. And then I was also talking about revision tools, right? Key terms. So for this is what they need to remember at the end of the lesson. I mean, topic. I mean, end of the day. This is what they need to see. These are the important, topics. I mean, key terms or revision, notes available. Every topic you will see revision notes like this. So we have seen 4 elements. Now let's quickly go through some other elements. I'll show you that. Let's go to a different class, and like if you go to class 11, let's open physics, and then if you look at any topic, let's open one topic here. I was talking about real life application, right? So this is distance and displacement. Any topic that you study, every single topic you will see something called the real life application. Students are not by hearting the topic, I mean the concept, I mean we don't want them to read and by heart, but we want them to understand what it is. So we are providing real life application. You will see multiple examples. Example 1, you see example 2, example 3, everything you will see real life application. So this is a brilliant teaching tool and a learning tool. So they will always remember this, right? So real life application. And then we provide little elaborated, like, revision notes. See, this is another, like, form of revision notes. Notes are available. Yeah. Topic synopsis, we call it. And then I was talking about mind maps, right? Pictures. These are called mind maps. Every topic you will see mind maps like this. Equations, important equations, formulas, important points related to this particular topic. You will see in everything in this mind maps. So this mind map again will help the student to, understand or remember what they learned, right? So this is a mind map, another learning tool. And then we provide web links. I was talking about like reference material. If you are a teacher or if you are a student, you can click on this link and it will take you to, like, articles written by expert. You get additional information if you want to get additional information. So we call it web links. This is like, reference material available. And these are the different elements that we provide. And then in any class, if you look at, we also provide you don't even need to buy the textbook. Every chapter you will see NCERT textbook is available. For all subjects, for all chapters, you get textbook here. You don't need to buy. It is NCERT ebook available here. What else? If you look at a particular chapter, you will also see sample papers. See, past year papers. These are all previous year papers. And if you look at, there are like many practical, assignments available, interactive worksheets available. They can use all these interactive worksheets and assignments, which would be, very helpful for them to learn the entire concept. The worksheets and practice assignments, board questions, printable worksheet. These are all elements that we provide in one single platform. Okay, now let's summarize. Right? Now, what did we discuss so far? I'm going to give you, so this is the student version. I'm going to give you an option to unmute yourself. So let's see, what did we discuss? How is it like? If you're a student, what all, in the content, in one single platform, what all things you get to make your studies more successful? You get excellent chapter notes, and you get topic-wise videos, brilliant quality videos. 19,000 topic-wise videos are available. What else? Testing platform. You can you can practice unlimited mock test or unit test. Or for every single topic, you can create test papers and practice and test yourself. And then revision notes, mind maps, real life application, which would be a very useful learning tool so that you can understand the concept. Real life application. And then board exam questions, gamified learning mechanism. You will never find boring. It's more like gamified when it comes to student platform. So, and then we have seen diagram maker is there if they want to draw something, and then topic synopsis are available, previous question papers are available, NCERT textbook is available. Everything is in one single platform. Now, this is the student version of it, but I want to, if you are a teacher, there is something for you also. I'll share the screen again and let's see what we offer to the teachers. Just 10 more minutes and then we'll, move on to the discussion part. Let's see what we offer to the teachers. All right, now when you log into the, bear with me just for, okay, here we go. Now, if you look at the screen, you can see we're going to go to the teachers admin. Whenever a school enroll with us or join with us, we give them a school admin. A school admin with Zoom and Google Meet video conferencing solutions. So you do not need to buy additional hosting license. You get inbuilt integrated Zoom and Google Meet, video conferencing solutions available with it. That's the first thing I want to tell you. Every teacher will have a video conferencing solution, so they can create classrooms. Right? First thing. Let's go to this. Okay, let's go to this. And if I'm a teacher, I will get a platform like this. And in this school admin, or let's say teachers portal, I will see, like if I'm in class 8, I'm teaching class 8 science. Now we were saying that the teachers are facing many challenges like conducting examination, right? Let's see how we can solve all these problems, right? You see a button on the top called the turn editing on. Let's on that. Yeah. Now, what I want to tell you that all the elements that we saw in the student version, 3D, 2D animation videos, 19,000 videos, and then chapter notes, testing platform, interactive worksheet, mind maps, and then topic synopsis, web links, whatever we have seen so far, everything is available to the teachers also. Everything is available to the teachers. And if a teacher want to assign anything, like for example, tomorrow before my class start, I want my students to watch this particular video, plant cells video, and I can just select it, and you see a button called assign homework. The moment you click here, it will go to the student portal. They will get SMS, they will get notification, and they can watch this video and come back to my class. So everything that we have seen is available to the teachers platform. Topic wise, subject wise, it is available. But there is something else. Let me tell you that there is something else. If you look at the platform, you see a button here called add an activity or resource. This is brilliant. Add an activity or resource. You touch here, you see something amazing. I was talking about Zoom meeting, right? I was also talking about Google Meet. Both, video conferencing solutions, it is incorporated, it is integrated into this. And we were also talking about conducting examination, or let's say exam proctoring system, right? So we have an exam proctoring system, and it is unique. Why? Because the moment you go to this exam proctoring system, like if I'm a teacher, class 8 science teacher, I want to conduct an examination. Let's say I'm going to create an examination, and I normally give instructions. As a teacher, I normally give instructions. So let's say I'm just typing all the instructions here. But I'm a teacher, I don't like much of typing. I don't have time to do all this. I mean, typing like a lot of type instructions. What you can do, there is something called UC. You can start recording your instruction. All the instructions you can record in an audio clip, and you just attach this recording. It will go to the student portal. So the first thing, they are going to listen to your instructions, and then they will attempt the exam. And then if you want to record video, they will see you and they will hear you. You can record all the instructions as a video also and attach it. That option is also available. Brilliant. Now let's see, if you want to attach an image, you can attach image also. Image, from our database, all this available. Set the time. See, you can set the time for examination, enable the time, and how many, what is the duration of the examination. You set everything. And then if you want to restrict access to only certain group, you want to make it available, like let's say class 8 A and B, not to C. You can restrict access to C. Or if you want to make sure that they are completing certain topics, and then they want to, you want them to participate in this exam. Many, options are available. Let's go to save and add questions, right? Now, one thing I want to tell you that whatever you have seen in the student portal or the student version, we give additional 2.5 lakh questions or database to the teachers. Remember, 2.5 lakh question database only to the teachers. Why? To conduct examination. Let's see. You click on add questions. This is called from question bank. And if you go to question bank, you just need to select the topics. See, crop production and management, question difficulty level is also here. Select the question that you want to, give it to your students. And then you click on add questions. The moment you click on add questions, all questions are here. And if you click on shuffle, my question number 1 and your question number 1 will be different. You want to change the marks? Change the mark, make it 3. Let me give 5 marks or 4 marks for this question. You can change the mark. And the moment you touch save, it will go to the student portal and they will get notification. But we were also talking about descriptive type questions, right? These are all objective type questions. But what about descriptive type? Let's see. There is something called a new question. You click here. You see multiple choice question, true or false, match the following, short answer, essay type. So all pattern of questions you can add in the examination. So if you want to add a short answer question, just click and enter the question text, and you have an option to copy paste the answer and add it. And you don't even need to give the feedback auto, the feedback can be typed. If a student gets 70%, if a student gets 50%, 75%, 80%, you can give feedback in the comment box, and it will go to the student portal after they complete the examination. And auto evaluation will happen. Through AI, we will do auto evaluation. You don't need to do any evaluation. So it's a full-fledged, complete exam proctoring system wherein you can add all pattern of questions, not just multiple choice. Essay type, short answer, match the following, true or false, everything you can include. So testing will be very, very easy. At the moment you touch here, save, after adding those questions, it will go to student portal. And then once the student complete the exam, you don't need to do evaluation. You can save a lot of time because this will, system will do evaluation, and you will also get instant reports. You see a button called the grades. So the moment you click on grades, you will see individual student performance, class wise. You can see the performance, you can share it with parents, and it's available in all forms. So everything is automated. Very, very like hassle-free exam proctoring system. You can save a lot of time. All content is available here. All videos are available here. So this is what we offer to the teachers, and this is what we offer to the students. Now let's pause here, and let's if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask. Now it's 11:55, so we have another 10 to 15 minutes. We can discuss, talk, and then if you want like more clarity, I mean, if I know the answer, I will give it to you. But if I don't know the answer, I will, find out and give it to you. All right. Because many times when we conduct sessions like this, teachers, they ask a lot of questions, and they give a lot of suggestions. So whatever suggestions, we take note of it, and then we try to implement this. So this is what we do to improvise the entire mechanism. But now let's go to the discussion part. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I appreciate your patience. So you can unmute and ask questions. Anybody? Generally, some teachers, they ask regarding the examination, how is the evaluation happening? Do they have an option for manual evaluation? Like if a teacher want to do the evaluation, things like that. So you can also ask questions. Yeah, I guess you can unmute.
Sir, good morning here, Mithun here.
Yes. Good morning, my friend.
So actually you told that for all the state syllabus, you are having the same software. So
Yes.
how about the languages? So state syllabus have the different languages.
Yes.
So for example, Kerala, it is Malayalam. Tamil Nadu, it is Tamil. So other languages, Andhra, it is Telugu. So how it is, you're activating that kind of language software also in this inbuilt?
Except languages like local native languages, everything else is here. Malayalam is not available, and then like Hindi is available, but Telugu, Kannada, and all those languages are not available. Okay. But yeah, that is not available. But rest, everything, as you saw, it is available. Like all other subjects are available.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, my friend. Any other question on this? Like we have participants, many are there. I guess some schools are there. You want to shoot any question? Feel free to ask. Okay. I mean, let's make it a discussion. Yeah, there are like Binny Joseph is there. Binny Joseph, are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a trainer. Right now, I don't have any questions.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. What do you like? If I may ask you, did you like the entire software? Like, how is it? Like, is it useful for the teachers and students?
Yes,
You,
I did find it really attractive, and I think it's going to be very helpful for students. Yes.
yeah, okay, all right. Now, Bini and all, okay, like all teachers, let me also tell you that whatever during the last 45 minutes or 1 hour time, whatever we have seen, it's just the main aspect of the entire system, okay, entire software, because we don't have time to cover all the features. There are many things. I also want to tell you one more important point, because whenever a student enroll for this, the most important thing is that every student who enroll for this, they get when they pay for 1 year. For example, I'm in class 10th, I get one upper class and one lower class content absolutely free of cost. So you're paying for 1 year and you're getting it for 3 years, and it's highly cost effective also, because we want to help the as many schools and as many teachers and students as possible. So that's how we designed this 3-year content with 1 year price. All right, so many things are there, and the moment you come on board, we will give you 2 days intensive training will be there for the teachers, so that you will come to know how to use it and things like that. Yeah, so thank you, Bini, for sharing your thoughts, and hope you liked it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, any other questions, or any, did you all like the,
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
If example, we can buy a class 8, we can also get class 7 and 8 and 9, right?
Yes. Like if you are buying class 8, you get one lower class, that means class 7th, and one upper class, which means class 9th also will be available to you.
It's in the class 9, we buy class 8. In the class 9, we can get all the access like 3D, 2D, all the access from the 9th class, or something else.
Yeah, that's a good question that you asked, and let me point out that give you the answer. You get all elements that we have seen except 3D animation. Rest all, like that means you get 15,000 video content, not all 19,000 video content. Approximately 15,000 video content will be available, but you get all other elements: topic synopsis, real life application, mind maps, notes, and testing platform. Everything will be available on except 3D animation.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Well Vision empowers, right? Yeah.
About the product supply, is it a composite product, or it can be bifurcated to teachers and students?
You mean to say that if a school only want to buy it for the teachers, is that possible, or?
Yes.
It is possible. Yeah, we can do that. But let me also tell you that at the same time, during the last 4 months, 220 schools enrolled with us. And once you enroll with the platform, we also give, like, for example, in your school, if there are 1,000 students, for the next 45 days, we give like all these elements absolutely free of cost for all your students when you buy teachers platform. And then if you want to add the student version, you can do that after 45 days. Or if you don't want to do it, that's also, that's your choice.
Then about the pricing of the products.
You want to hear about the pricing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me tell you, when I said it's cost effective, it is really cost effective, because I'll see, when a school enroll for this program, it is for a year, all the teachers with all these solutions like Zoom meeting, Google meeting, it is going to cost them for a school 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs plus tax will be the costing for a school, which include all teachers. Okay. Now, if it is a student version, the retail price, if you buy from our website, the retail price for 1 year license is approximately like 14,200 rupees for any year. Okay. Now, when it comes to school, if the same student, if they buy it through the school, it is going to be 1/3 of the retail price, approximately 1/3. Let's say, now I'm just giving a approximate figure, okay, but it is going to be like 6,000 or 6,500 plus tax, that kind of amount they need to pay for 3-year learning module. So it's very, very easy and cost effective for students and for the school.
Then in the national education policy will be introduced within few years.
Yes,
Then
yes.
Then how this module can be updated with the present system?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Many ask this question, because during the recent meetings they were also asking. Now, let me tell you that see, we have a content development team or a subject expert team available, and day in and day out, like they are making changes, updating the content. So whenever there is a change, we also make changes in the content. So now the entire system is more focused into like experiential learning, right? Like based on the new policy. So by the time the new policy implementing in all schools, we will also make changes in our content. For example, whenever CBSE release any change in their syllabus, we do that in 15 days. Within 15 days, it reflects in our content also. So we will also, without change, we cannot, continue, right? So we will also update it.
Yes, at present you are providing the only in English and Hindi.
Yes.
But in the 4+3+3+4 system, more importance is giving to the mother tongue. Okay.
Yeah. So then,
mother tongue in 29 states and 9 union territory, different mother tongues are in India. So how to make that possible?
Yeah, right. That's a good question. But without making it, it is not possible for us to continue. So we have to do it. And if we have to do it, we have a team to do it, and we will do it. So you will see all that changes in the upcoming years.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. What is your name, sir, if I may ask you?
My name T.N. Gopi.
Okay. All
I am working as a hypno counseling therapist and as a student empowerment trainer also.
All right. Great. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir, participating and asking all the questions, sharing your thoughts. Yeah, good. Any other questions that you want to ask, or else it's at 12, almost 12:15 or 12, yeah, to 12:05, right? So let's maybe we can wind up this session if you don't have any other questions. Yeah. Hope it is clear. Now, what I want you to do, think about it, okay? And if you personally think that it is good for your students, if you personally think that it is good for your teachers, then what we will do for you, will give you demo, okay? Those who would love to, use it and try it for some days, we can give you demo credentials, and then you use it and see how good this is, and then come back to us maybe after 5 days or 4 days or after 1 week time. You come back to us, and then let's discuss about how we can enroll into the platform, and then we'll go ahead from there. That's how most of the school, like these 220 schools in the last 3 months, they enrolled with us. So please do so. And Mr. Renish, you can contact Mr. Renish, and he will give you demo credentials, and from there we can go ahead. So I want to say thank you very much for participating or joining in this meeting, and I hope you liked it and come back to us.
Sorry, Manoj, just before you conclude, can I just mention something?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Now, for all those here who are looking at these products, one thing I'd like to mention is recently we had one school that went through the demonstration, that went through a product demonstration. And then they also did a trial, like Mr. Manoj Sebastian mentioned. They received the demo credentials, they tried it, they used it. They were using other software before, but they came back to us stating that there is a world of difference between what they were using and what they are now being offered. And they came back with such glowing terms. We didn't expect a customer to speak so highly of a product that he is purchasing now. But they came back with such glowing expressions about the product. And they said that not only do they want to use it, but they want to, they have a number of sister concerns, other schools that they are associated with. They said a couple of points they mentioned was the use of audiovisual aids, the features like handling examinations on the online. That was something they were very impressed about. And also the fact that all the facilities required for online classes are inbuilt in the product. So these were certain factors that impressed them compared to certain other products that they were using. So I thought it's good to share that with all of you. And as Mr. Manoj said.
Yeah, good. Thank you very much for pointing out that. I mean, it's good. I mean, the school was like Mount Zion School, I guess. I mean, recent they attended our meeting, right?
Yes.
Yes, good, fantastic. Yeah. So I guess when they start using the demo, they will also feel the same. I mean, our participants. So I guess Finos, we can wind up the session. Or Renish, if you want to add something, then please, or else we'll,
Sir, one more thing. Good morning, all. Regarding the learning skills, the latest skills are used, especially the usage of right brain and then mind maps and the video clippings. That is very effective for the learning. That is one of the important aspects in this particular product. And congrats.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. All right. Thank you. So, Renish, please, share the demo credentials with everyone who attended the meeting. You can talk to them, and then Renish, if you can share your contact number so that they can get in touch with you. I guess that would be a better option. Yeah, he shared his contact number in chat. So if you require demo, you can please contact Mr. Renish. He will take care of that. Yeah. So then, thank you very much for participating. Stay safe, and you all have a good day. Finos, you want to say something?
No, I just wanted to thank you for the beautiful presentation. Good job on presenting the material. We thank you very much, and we appreciate everybody for their presence and their valuable time this morning. And now we are already into the afternoon, but we thank you all for your time and presence.
Yes, thank you, Finos. Yeah. So thank you and bye-bye.